Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and one of the highlights I would actually look at on 19H2, or the next version of Windows 10, version 1909, coming soon to a computer near you, is the ability to actually take calendar and actually have appointments done directly from here. A lot of people said, well, that was already there. No, it was not. Because when you actually wanted to take a calendar event here, what would happen is it would open the calendar. And that, of course, was the problem, is that every time you would actually want to add an event here, it would open the calendar. You would have to actually have the calendar open. This is very different. This is no calendar need to be open. You can just say, for example, I got a business meeting, and then you choose the day. So here it says today. It could be another day, of course, and you can actually check out what time, and you can add a business location. So this is different than what you had, because here this is what would happen. It would actually add it by doing and showing you the calendar when you would do it. So here you just choose your date. So for example, here's Thursday, add an event, business meeting, and I would choose the time is 6 p.m. and whoops, time is 6 p.m. and end time is 10 p.m. Here we go. Add the location. I just put downtown Montreal and click save. And here you go. My business meeting is added to the calendar on the date that I've chosen here. So no opening the calendar like before, which is a very different thing. And actually, if you use calendar to actually have meetings, I use it quite regularly. This is a huge time saver. No opening the calendar, just do it from here. Perfect, and works great. So this is one of the new features coming up in 1909. If you use a calendar, if you like to take note of different items or events coming up, meetings and so on, well, you just do it from there, which is really, really nice without having, because that probably was one thing that I didn't like, is I don't like to open the calendar to do that all the time, where here it's just there and you got it. And if I look in my phone, that event has been added to the calendar on my phone also, which is nice because of the sync capabilities. So pretty cool, and I think it's really nice to see that this is something that's now available in version 1909, or what will be the next version of Windows 10 soon. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.